And when Karan Johar's name is associated with the film, the romance has to be spectacular. Yeah, you're on that pack. You're on the pack.
Special mention.
Okay, but
So
before
today's
we reveal,
special mention.
Before we reveal, all of you do one thing for me. You all will do? Just, you all will scream Shandar damn loudly. Again. Thanks. I love you.
Okay, here we go in 3, 2, 1. Woo! Mr. Samir, would you like to say something to this wonderful couple here today?
I think it's really.
Yes, and we want our own.
Yes.
We want our own packs because this is really, really cool, and I'm really excited about the fact that there's a toothpaste which has my face on it, and now it has Alia's face and my face on it, and it's for Shandar, which is, we never said, releasing on the 22nd of October. So please go check it out, and I hope that you guys enjoy it, and I hope all of you get a pack of this specific close-up pack.
Try and get close to somebody that you want to get close to.
For, of course, the Shandar close-up pack. And I hope it helps Rancho get close to Tanvi and everybody else as well. What's up? All right, one last question going out to Shahid and Alia.
Hey, wait, I want to do something. So much energy.
What? I don't think anybody in my life that I ever know has seen that film so many times. So thank you.
For the rest of my time,
No,
Shahid,
now you go see
mean
Shandar.
God to me, you mean God. Nothing else. It's just God for me. I love you so much.
ये होता है first move. सुन लो.
Shahid, it's my dream to just click one photo with you. It's my dream. I pray God every night. Please come.
You want only one photo?
I just want one.
I thought we
Only
could do
one
3, 4.
No, just want one.
Just one.
Just one.
Okay.
You don't know what you mean to me.
Thank you. As soon as we finish the conversation, you want to come now? Can she come now? Okay, everybody, listen up. We'll get you on stage, but later on, first, backstage. Okay, wait. Before I go, I will come there and I'll give you a picture.
All right, so now, hang on you guys. Let's find out a few things from Shahid and Alia about the film. But first, check this out. Check what I can do. I can touch her. I'm just kidding. All right, so you guys please tell us about the film. What was the experience like? It looks like it was so much fun and the chemistry looks really, really natural. So talk to us about the film. Talk to us about who made the first move. Tell us.
Who made the first move in the
First
film
move.
or in life?
In life and in the film.
Okay, so I think Alia is the one who's extremely, is like a hyper child. So I will give her the opportunity to speak about Shandar
No, you have to go first.
No, please.
No.
Tusi start karo.
No, तुसी start करो.
Well, Shandar is Vikas's next advent. क्या चिल्ला रहे भाई?
हाँ, Shandar is Shandar. Of course, very
Okay,
bright
very
thought,
good.
guys.
Shandar
is Shandar.
Shandar. Do we need to say anything else? Alia is Alia. And who are you?
तुम्हें करण जौहर के शो पे जाना
हाँ,
चाहिए.
Arjun.
हाँ?
Huh? Wow.
Alia is Alia.
When did you discover this?
Really? I think, what's your name? Is my mic working? What's your name? Your name is Shahrukh? Shut up. Seriously?
Hello.
Shahrukh, now that you've called me, now that you said Alia as Alia, I'm going to say something that you're going to have many jokes on you, Shahrukh. Just be prepared. If you need moral support, I'll be there. I dealt with it very well. Okay, so will you go watch Shandar?
तो 4 लोगों ने हाथ उठाए, 3 को पता भी नहीं क्यों हाथ उठाए. सामने वाले उठाए, मैंने भी उठा दिया. Are you serving some drinks outside or something?
You know,
Hello.
this is
This is
just,
a very excited lot.
you know, these guys are supercharged just
तुम
to
लोग
see
अपना
you
लेकर
guys.
आए हो कि बाहर मिल रहा है कि चक्कर क्या है? मुझे भी बताओ यार. Okay.
All right, so you guys, now there's
Your films that have happened in the
Well,
past.
I think having Karan on the film has been an
That's the romance you're going to see in the film. It's very sweet.
I suddenly forgot whatever I needed to say. So
Okay,
All right.
so yes, the winners. Sorry about that. The girl, you would like to say the girl? Or should I say?
I'll say the boy's name, you say the girl's
Okay.
name. I think the girl's name starts with T.
T.
How many people's name starts with T?
Only one girl?
Only one girl.
That's a bit absurd.
She has shouted, then I think she's fainted also. There's a girl called Tanvi out here.
Tanvi.
You're there? Is there any other Tanvi? There's a dude who's called Tanvi as well. Yeah, what's up? That dude's called Tanvi.
oh god.
That's a cool name, man. So there's only one Tanvi
Only
here?
one Tanvi.
There's only one Tanvi?
Are you serious,
Are
guys?
you serious?
Oh, you are...
That one is lying. She's
No,
putting
babe,
her
don't
hand
change
up.
your
Her
name.
name is not Tanvi. Your name is not Tanvi.
Okay, what's his full name?
No, it's not, right? It's not. It's not. No, your name is not
Tanvi
Tanvi.
Chhede.
Tanvi Chhede.
Tanvi Chhede. You? Tanvi Jhede or Chhede?
Kisko Chhede? Tanvi.
Are you Tanvi Chhede? Do you have an identity card? I'm just joking. Come, Tanvi Chhede. We won't chodo you
All
today.
right, Tanvi Chhede, please come on stage.
How do you come? Somebody lift her up and give her here safely.
And the
हाँ है.
you
सब
guys know
बिल्कुल
that
हिगड़े
you
आए
are
हैं
the
आज यहाँ
winners,
पे.
so please come on stage.
बेटा यहाँ कैमराज हैं, मम्मी पापा देखेंगे, बोलेंगे नाम बदल दिया मेरे बेटे ने स्टेज पे आने के लिए. करेक्ट वाला आ जाए.
I'm
तू
very
तो
confused. There are
definitely
4
बिल्कुल
people
हिगड़े
who
नहीं है.
Hegdes right now.
Stand where? Here.
What was it like when somebody made the first move on you in college, in school? When was that first time when somebody came up? Was it a good line? Was it a good opening line? Or was it like something you don't want to remember?
You want to make a first move? Okay, what would you say to me? Okay, now, this is your opportunity. No, you can't come here. From far away, you have to say. Okay, play hard to get with me. Shayad. So, what would you say to me? To make your first move?
Whoever said, hey, sexy, that's a horrible line.
Arey, somebody give him a mic. Check. Ishq wala love. हाँ? चिल्लाने वाला shouting.
Hello. Shahid, my first move with you will be a screening of Viva with you. Only you and me.
You want to
Babe.
watch Viva with me in a theater?
Yes. But baby, it's like a Shandar. It's
How
like a Shandar.
how will you? How you will watch
You will
Shandar?
watch?
See, that's a better move.
Yeah, that's a way better move.
Viva and Shandar both. Then after Shandar,
Done deal.
हम लोग थिएटर ही खरीद लेंगे.
What?
जब मन हुआ जाके
You
पिक्चर
ride a
चालू करके बैठ
horse?
जाएंगे.
Good one. I love horse riding. 10 boyfriends.
Coffee.
Can
बड़ा
we be
original
friends?
thought है
Of course we
तेरा.
can be friends.
कुछ नया सोच. हाँ?
Acha, he knows my address. Don't say so
You
loud.
have. What? I can't hear what you're saying.
What?
Alia sing song.
That's too soon, babe. You need to start
You'll
getting
sing
to know
song.
me first.
What's your name?
Too soon. I love you
Anil.
too soon. You're scaring me. Give me some. little
Anil,
bit love,
anybody
then
wants to
give it
listen?
all out.
Anil sing. कैसे लड़के हो तुम लोग यार सब? Be more supportive towards Anil. You want to sing, Anil? You want to sing for Alia? Will you give me my mic back? You promise? Okay, here. 1, 2, 3. Anil wants to sing for Alia. It better be a good song and you better sing well because all these guys are not interested. So make it work now. Come on.
देखा है तुझको जब से हाँ मैं तो हो गया लगता है मेरे सीने से दिल निकल गया मम्मी से क्या डैडी से भी मिलाऊंगा तुझे और जो भी मैं कहूँ तुझे लगता है क्यों गलत और पलट तेरा ध्यान किधर है कि तेरा हीरो इधर है तेरा ध्यान किधर है तेरा हीरो इधर है
Superb. Damn cute, yeah. Full marks to you.
I was just going to say that's dangerous. All right.